The reason I didn't kill Clay after you gave me the letters. The feds were holding a RICO case over our heads. Irish guns are the only thing holding them at bay. I needed Clay alive to keep Galen invested.
Jesus Christ. How did we make Rico?
Otto turned. That's what Tara's doing at Stockton.
Getting him to change his mind.
Which he did. He killed a nurse with that cross yesterday.
Oh, shit.
Rico's dead, but now it could all blow back on Tara.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry.
Clay's gonna find out that his leverage is gone. I need that proof now.